Hi, I'm Sarah with Members First. Today, we want to show you how easy it is to use our new contactless debit card. This new payment feature will provide you with more safety, security, and convenience when making your purchases. First, you will want to make sure you are using the correct card and that it is contactless enabled. You can do this by checking to make sure you see the icon on the card that looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol right above the card number. Next, you will want to look for the same contactless icon at the point of sale checkout if this is the card you are choosing to pay with. Today, we're going to take the show on the road to a local coffee house where they have this technology available. Okay, let's show you how it's done. Once you are ready to pay, get close to the point of sale machine, tap your card, and you're done. It's as easy as that. Just tap and pay and your secure transaction is complete. There is no limit to the dollar amount of your purchase or the amount of times you can tap and pay. Just keep in mind that some merchants may still ask you to sign or enter your PIN based on their security measures in place and how they are routing transactions. Now that you know how to use your contactless card, you can use this anywhere the merchant has the tap and go technology in place. Restaurants, grocery stores, drugstores, and everywhere else you see the contactless symbol. It's the fast, easy, and secure way to pay. Don't worry if the merchant where you are using your new debit card at doesn't have contactless payment set up. You will still be able to swipe or insert your card if needed. Don't forget about our convenient card controls that you can configure right through our app and online banking. You can control how, when, and where your payment cards are used. Real-time transaction alerts and controls will provide you with a way to protect your payment information and give you peace of mind. If you need assistance with other banking needs, we are happy to help you anytime from anywhere through the Members First mobile app and online banking. You can reach out to our customer service team through our chat functionality right in the app, and we would be happy to chat with you. Try it today, and thank you for choosing Members First.